Hello there. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. Thank you for joining me today. Today is all about using what comes in the September Embellishments Kit Club. And today we're taking a piece of the watercolor paper that was tea dyed, and I did some fun paint pouring on it yesterday. And this was one of the first ones that I did, but it's still a very pretty marbled look. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and decorate it. And I'm going to decorate it up so that it could be like a pocket or a tuck spot in a journal. And then when I'm all done with it, I will list this in my Etsy shop. And I wanted to show you the other two and how they turned out. So look at the effect of that. So if you watch my video from yesterday, you'll be able to see me do this whole technique, and I show you and tell you exactly how to do it. I learned how to do it from watching other videos, and so now I'm teaching you how to do it. This is the simplest way to do it, and look at how beautiful they turn out. It's gorgeous. And this is on watercolor paper. And I also showed you in yesterday's video or did I show you yesterday's? One of the videos, 2 days ago, I think it was, 2 videos back, let me say it that way, was the watercolor paper pad. So, but anyway, so this is what we're going to work on. And we're going to go with that Bohemian look. So I thought that would be, very apropos for this. And I'm really just going to cut some random shapes. I'm not really thinking about what it's going to look like, because as we have learned, that Bohemian is not about really a planned thing. It's kind of just like everything, anything and everything goes kind of a thing. So this was already a marble look, and so I thought, well, this was really cool. I want to keep with that marble look. And so that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to do the confetti pieces, and then I will top it all off with the yellow, a little bit of the yellow on top. Okay, so I'm going to come here and do a little bit of a oval kind of a shape to go right in here. Okay, there we go. Pull that up. This is over here. Okay. All right, so I'm liking that. That looks pretty good. And I'll trim all this up in a minute. Right now, I just want to get the pieces and figuring out where I want them. And then what we're going to do next is we will sprinkle some of these confetti pieces on. And this is from my friend Linda Coker. You can find these in her Etsy shop. Or you can make them yourself. Just cut up little teeny tiny pieces of fabric from your scraps. And then I will top it all off with this beautiful organza netting. And take it over the sewing machine, and then I'll stitch it all down. But just to hold it into place right now, I'm going to just use the craft glue stick. We really don't need the tacky glue, if I can get the lid off. And let's see how we're going to do this. So we're just going to take and put a little tiny bit on the back of the fabric. Because I am going to come in and stitch, but I just want to hold it into place so that it doesn't fall apart on me while I get it over to the machine. And I find that this is what works best for me. A little bit of that background coming through, that is fine. Let's see, do we really see one? This is batiks, so one thing about batiks is there's like really no right or wrong side. And then also in the kit are several original artwork pieces. And so I went through and picked out one that felt Bohemian to me, and the fox is definitely Bohemian. So the fox is going to be under here also, and it's going to be just a little cute embellishment. And then, but he has to wait until I get the confetti. And we're just going to pick up a little smidgen of the confetti and plop it down. A little goes a long way with this stuff. All right, now I'm going to come here. And we'll come back in here with the little fox. And again, it's not about perfectionism here. It's just about placing it down. And we want it to be just a very cute, free-form look. Now I'll come in with my straight scissors. These are in my description below if you'd like to pick up a pair. They really save your wrist and your fingers. So if you are like me and you have weak in arthritis or anything like that, fingers and hands, then this saves you. And your little fingers will thank you later, because you can get a lot more done when you use those than if you just use the regular. And I want to ink him up. So let me get him out from under there real quick. And I like to combine the antique linen and the distress ink. You know, something I did not realize when I got this pack, and I got it off of Home Shopping Network, and I didn't realize there was oxide and ink. I just assumed it was just all oxide, but these actually work good. And the inks are supposed to be thinner, but I find that these are very vibrant. But I just learned that the other day, and I thought, like I said, until I looked on the container, I didn't even realize I had inks and oxides already. I thought all of them were oxides. Just gonna ink him up, even though they are distress ink, so I still get that cute. Isn't that cute? So just immediately you get the vintage look of him. So this is how cute and how versatile the September Embellishments Kit Club is. And look at this. Now I have a piece of the watercolor paper that I marbleized, and then did the collage with the fabric, and then took the little mini fox that comes in the kit as well. And now look, I have a cute, adorable embellishment. So I'm going to take this over to the sewing machine. I'm going to stitch it all up, and then I will be back and show you the end finished result. Okay, here is the final finished pocket. Oh, it's just adorable. So here's our cute little fox. He's hanging out in there in his little bohemian sprinkling of confetti fabric, all shiny and shimmery in there in the background. And now you can place this on a journal and use it as a pocket. Very, very pretty addition to any one of your journals. Happy Mail. Put it on the front of a card, pen pal, just so many things that you can do with it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button. And I would love to have you join the little community. When we hit 600 subscribers, it'll be the next giveaway. And then I will announce what the prize is going to be. It's going to be something wonderful. So I hope you will stick around and join the community so that you can find out and have an opportunity to enter. Thank you so much for being here. keep creating in the sunshine, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.